So here's the forge. It has a huge water tank on the front. It's blasted from below. This piece here fits underneath the fits underneath the blast part, and that's for the ash to come out of. And this part here, we have this heavy pipe which plugs into there, and that's where the air is blasted. That's where the top is. It comes with a number of different pincers and the like. On the side of the thing, you can lift these out both sides for long pieces. This chimney piece only sits on the base. The water cooler hooks over the front, and the legs unhook. That's the bottom of the I don't know if you can see it. That's where the blast piece connects onto. It'll probably need new bolts drilled or welded on. It has got some rust here. Did a bit of tacking on here at some point, but it probably needs to be a better job on it. So that could do with a new plate on it. I don't know if you can see the back. I don't know if you can see anything there. So that's it. This is a metal, a bit rusty. It's all rusty and flaky. All rusty and flaky. I'm saying it with a leg vise, a heavy leg vise. That's this green one. It has got a missing spring. This one here is negotiable with a separate venture. What else have we got about it? Also, there's a metal cutting bandsaw, 240 volt single phase, with some blades, I believe. That works in vertical and horizontal position. It needs to go on the stand really. It's just sitting on a box at the moment. Now the blower. I've never used this forge, so but I've got this. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. It's down here. Let's pause it a second. Right, this is the blower. I'm selling it. It's a great big powerful one. You'll have to find a way to mate this heavy pipe onto it. There's probably too much air on that. It's a 240 volt pump. Whether you run it on 115 volts, it will probably work. That's it. 400 watts, so some plenty of air, probably too much. So that's it. And